Hello and welcome to a bash session with an original first edition of the Losi Mini 8 on our Tamiya TT-01 Race build in hot pursuit. Now this Losi Mini 8 we have here today is not stock at all, but it's also not the one that you've seen before in our build episodes. It is however pretty much the same spec with a Turnigy brushless motor, a Hobbywing ESC, 3S LiPo and an upgraded steering servo, so do go back and check out our videos on that. And it is great fun. This one actually has foam tyres on, which I've never really gotten that well with our TT-02 around this tarmac track. They just didn't have the same amount of grip that the rubber ones did, but on this lighter model they seem pretty good. As we've said before with the Mini 8, these are excellent little bashers for off-road, on-road, and they're really quite versatile with a good amount of adjustability and tunability, which is great. The only thing that we've ever had real issues with is the really bad steering on them, where you can never quite get it to centre, and I think this is due to the servo saver. And also, the spur gears are an absolute pain to change. You need to get the meshing just right as well, otherwise they'll strip pretty quickly. But when you do get them right, they will last a good long while. As we've mentioned before, our TT-01 with the Honda body is the worst pursuit car you can get, just because its centre of gravity is so high that it wants to roll at every corner. So we have to slow down at every corner, which is a bit of a pain because you can't get those long, fast flowing corners. But that's fine. But look at that, what a fantastic shot. Now, as we know from previous speed test videos with this TT-01 in this race setup, as it is here, it will hit 23 miles per hour, and on the straights we are getting that. However, this GPS, although correct in its speed, always has a bit of a lag to it, and it is terrible, purely because of the rubbish software. So do watch out for that, because sometimes the speed doesn't match the picture. But that's it for this episode. I hope you've enjoyed seeing these two models bash around the track, and we've got a lot more to come, especially with this TT-01 and some serious speed runs, so do watch out for them and take a look at what a torque-tuned race spec build is capable of. But that's it. Please do rate, comment and subscribe for more content, and keep an eye out for our coming website. Thank you for watching and see you soon.